Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excellency, as the caretaker, the Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic Boarding School, Kiai Haji Muhammad Hasan Mutawakil Allah SHMM. Respectable Dr. Abdul Aziz BAMAG, as the Rector of the Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic University. Dear Mr. Muhammad Hibdil Islam MPD and Ms. Rin Fatmawati MPD as supervisor in my research proposal. And thank you very much to my parents who have always support me in the process of making this research proposal. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Siti Ladatul Malfiro from the English Education Department Study Program Faculty of Educational, Scientific and Teaching, Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic University. Here, I will present the result of my research proposal titled The Speaking Approach Model Using the 6 Days Method is the Identity of Daman Romli British Islamic Boarding School. English speaking style is considered difficult, so that it makes students easily bored in learning. Lazy to memorize a hard vocabulary, monotonous and less creative learning method. Many students feel insecure when appointed to speaking English in front of the class. They are often anxious to keep quiet when the teacher explains up front. From some of the problems described above, the role of teacher is very important in making the student learning process fun and not boring. Teachers are expected to be able to make the imaginative and creative listen so that they can center and truly consider, but with an environment that remains free and fun. Teachers must also be able to create learning strategies that are unique, creative, and that have never been done before, so that students are more interested and more enthusiastic in learning, not only in international and public schools. Now, English has expanded to private schools, such as in Pesantren, which are famous for religious education. The reason Pesantren make English a compulsory language is because the ulama and kiai want their students not only to be proficient in religious science but also proficient in English help to help those who want to continue their education abroad. One of them is Pondok Daman Romli, which is the British Islamic boarding school centered at Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic Boarding School, Probolinggo, Java. This cottage is famous for the 6 day method to improve the quality English for its students, especially in the field of communication. The reason why the researchers chose the location at Damanhuri Islamic Zainul Hasan Genggong is because the location of the study is close to the researchers' location in the Zainul Hasan Genggong Central Islamic Boarding School. Then, the reason the other researchers was because previously no one had researches about the cottage, which was the only English-speaking cottage in Zainul Hasan Genggong. One more thing, what is unique and an advantage as well as the researchers' attraction in researching this boarding school is that according to Miss Mila as the teacher in Damanhuri Romli Cottage, that all students at the Damanhuri Romli Islamic Boarding School are required to use two languages in their daily life, namely Arabic and English language. And if any student feels it, they will be given a necklace that say, "I don't use Arabic or English language." So that's why I think it's unique. Focus on the study. In this study, researchers focus on student problem speaking skill and method in improving speaking at Damanhuri Romli English Islamic Boarding School, and teachers Ustad Ustada in trying to improve student English skill through the 6-time-day method in English course Damanhuri Romli English Islamic Boarding School. Statement of the problem. What was the reason for the establishment of the Damanhuri Romli Islamic Boarding School, and how is the 6-time-day method carried out in the Damanhuri Romli Islamic Boarding School? Objective of the study, so that we can find out the reason for the establishment of the Damanhuri Romli Islamic Boarding School, so that we can find out how the 6-time method is carried out the Damanhuri Romli Islamic Boarding School. Significance of the study. The novelty of this study is that many researchers have conducted research to improve the quality of English speaking in school and Islamic boarding school using methods used by the author and previous researchers. Therefore, in this study, researchers are interested in examining the strategy applied at Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic Boarding School, namely the speaking approach model using 6-time-day method in the identity in Damanhuri Romli British Islamic Boarding School. The concept of speaking. Speaking skill is one of the communication skill a person will be to have good speaking skill if he or she has effective, empathetic, and polite communication skills. With good speaking skill and technique, one can convey information clearly in front of others. Therefore, speaking skills must be trained and honed from an early age. Definition of speaking. There are many variants of speaking definition. Speaking is one of the production skills that we use for many people in social life. Speaking is ability to produce word in language practice. Speaking is important skill that must be mastered by students. Speaking is expressing through a loud using for voice or talk. The Quran mentioned communication as one of human nature in Quran Surah Ar-Rahman. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Khalaqal insan 'allamahul bayan. Shadaqallahu maulanal azim. Means he created man, teaching him to be articulate. In that part of the earth, we can conclude that in verse 3, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explained that Allah created man, which didn't exist before. Then Allah created. And in verse 4, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created man by entrusting a brain with which to think so that man could explain what was in his mind or brain intelligently or fluently. Let us cite that speaking is an activity as an ability to express oneself in a situation, or an activity to report action or situation with appropriate word, or the ability to speak or express a sequence of ideas fluently. Speaking skill is the productive skill in the oral model. Like the other skill, speaking is more complicated than it seems at first and involves more than just pronouncing word. There are 5 components of speaking skill that can be defined as follow: pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, fluency, and comprehension. Pronunciation. According to Walker, pronunciation plays a crucial role in learning English as an international language. Pronunciation is a way for students to produce clear language when they speak. It deals with the phonological process, which refers to the grammatical component, which consists of the elements and principles that determine how sounds vary and patterns in language. Grammar. According to Brown, errors identified as a result of the student lack of understanding of the rule of language. Grammar is an important part of any skill in English. The subject, verb, article, noun, adjective, adverb, modifier, phrase, clause, object, and other parts of grammar are used to construct a sentence. Grammar and speaking have a close relationship. In addition to the sound system, learning must be taught by using a structure. Learners must be given insight into word order, inflection, and derivation to the other meaningful feature and the English language. It will help students to speak fluency. Vocabulary. Vocabulary is one important element in speaking. Without vocabulary, learners cannot say something. Learners can make a sentence or communicate effectively what they want to say. Knowing a lot of words in foreign language is very important. People can communicate well or express their idea and write if they don't understand about vocabulary mastery. According to Yancey, vocabulary is the basic of language. It occurs in every language skill. It's very important because we can say nothing without vocabulary in our mind. Vocabulary is about choice of word which is used appropriately based on the content of speaking. Fluency. Fluency is used to measure capability or incapability of someone in using the language. Fluency is the extent to which speakers use the language quickly and confidently, with few hesitation or natural pauses, false start, and word search. And the last is comprehension. Comprehension is an ability to process structures of discourse, to formulate representation of the meaning of sentence. Comprehension of a second language is more difficult to study since it is not directly observable and must be inferred from our verbal and nonverbal responses by artificial instrument or by the intuition of the teacher or researcher. Comprehension refers to the fact the participant fully understand the nature of the research project, even when project procedure are complicated and intelligent. Type of speaking. According to Brown, categories the basic type of speaking performance that can be applied in teaching speaking. Those are imitative, intensive, responsive, transactional, interpersonal, and extensive or monologue. The function of the speaking modifies the oral production with the help of facilitation devices such as sampling structure, forming expression, and using fillers and hesitation device or computation. The function of speaking is for delivering message or ideas from speakers to learners to listeners. According to Richard Brown and Joule, make useful distinction between the instructional function of speaking, which serves to maintain and exchange information. They are the function of speaking. They set as talk interaction and as a performance. In conceptual framework, from the title, researchers took there will be process observation and interview regarding the process in speaking skill at Damanhuri Romli Islamic Boarding School to get the result and the researchers' work. Research design means all the process involved in planning and implementing research which assists the research in collecting and analyzing data. In this study, researchers uses descriptive research with a qualitative approach. Qualitative research tends to study things in their natural environment, trying to understand interpret phenomena based on the meaning that people give of them. Qualitative research is the opposite of quantitative research, which involves collecting and analyzing numerical data and statistical analysis. Qualitative research is commonly used in the humanity and social science in subjects such as anthropology, sociology, education, health science, and history. Data collection methods or techniques are a very challenging step in research because the main objective in the research process are get data. To obtain data, the author uses technique data collection in the form of interview and observation. Data analysis, according to Millis and Haberman, includes the process of data production, data display, and conclusion drawing or verification. In data reduction refers to the process of selection, focusing, simplifying, abstracting, and transforming the data that appears in written up field notes or transcription. Display data. Data display is the second component or level in Millis and Haberman's model of qualitative data analysis. A display can be an extended page of text or a diagram, graph, chart, table, or matrix that provides a new way or arranging thinking about the more textually embedded data. Some activities in analyzing the data that have been done by the research in data display are observing the teaching and teaching process, interview the teacher, and giving questionnaire. And the last step of analyzing the data was conclusion drawing or verification. Conclusion drawing involves stepping back to consider what the analyzed data mean and to assess their implication for the question at hand. Verification is linked to conclusion drawing until revising the data as many times as necessary to cross-check or verify test emergent conclusion. The last step is trustworthiness. In the qualitative research, the researcher level the data is the real life of the subject. This qualitative research uses some methodologies to maintain the validity of the data in order to have a more accurate conclusion. To make the data valid, triangulation is employed. Qualitative validity means the researchers was checked for the accuracy of finding by employing certain procedure. The technique used to improve the validity of data in qualitative research was triangulation. The reason I choose the research location is that the Taman Islamic Boarding School is the only formal Islamic boarding school in Limbang that has the title of Pondok Inggris. Maybe I think that's all explanation regarding my research proposal. I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.